What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? I guess you guys are having a wonderful weekend, and I pray that you're using this weekend to prepare yourselves for the next trading week. That's your boy Harlem, and I'm back with another video. Today's video gonna be our weekly outlook for the coming week. It's a new week, it's a new month. Hope you guys are prepared and hope you guys are doing what's important so you can at least reach the level of profitability and profession in the trading industry or in the trading methods, but mainly in your trading journey, right? So before I get any further, don't forget to smash the like button, to subscribe to the channel, to share the video, to comment on the video. The links on my description to sign up with the brokers that I personally use to. You can choose which you want to use, right? And check out the daily live logs that I recently dropped. And if you want to have a Forex trading course, you guys know that we have opened up our mentorship sessions, our mentorship programs, right? Both virtual and one-on-one. So you choose which one you want to do, which one you want to subscribe to, and let's COT Academy, do the rest from there. But without further ado, let's hit the charts. So starting off on our first pay, which is NES. So NASDAQ, I still say our structure on the NES, we are still in an uptrend, right? You can clearly see that price created this resistance, right? Until we had what price giving us a breakout and a retest and a continuation to the upside, right? Basics of Forex, right? So now from price breaking above this resistance and coming back for a retest and continuing bullish, where price has closed, we have created that new all-time high. So my trade idea for the coming week, just to cut things sort of just sum things up, is to just be simple. I'm looking for a higher low, a pullback, or an exhaustion phase to continue bullish, because when you look at the structure of the NAS and when you look at the picture of the NAS, you can clearly see that from price violating that resistance, that intraday resistance that price has created. Once price violated that intraday resistance and came back for a retest, that clearly confirmed to us that the structure on NASDAQ was still in an uptrend, right? So I repeat, my trade idea for the coming week, I'm looking for a higher low formation or a pullback, or for price to give us an exhaustion phase before I can look forward for a continuation to the upside. So that's my take on the NAS. That's my take on the NAS. Not looking for much, not looking for less. We move. Right. Second pair that we're looking at is gold. Right. So gold, I also won't say much on gold, but gold, I want to break down everything before I talk about what's currently happening. Right. So gold, looking at the on history, right, where price action is currently at, but we're looking at the left side of our history, right? So gold, we've created this all-time high, right? But the two bodies of this candlesticks, of those two candlesticks, had the same open and had the same close, whether this one closed. So the bullish candlestick had a close and the bear candlestick had that open on the very same close of the bullish candlestick, right? And dropped to the downside. So price came back again to this very same what? To the very same body, to the very same intraday high, right? And did what? And dropped to the downside. So looking at where our current price is currently at, you can clearly see that from all the reactions that we had, price came back to the very same zone again, and we're having some type of reaction. So why am I saying I'm waiting for confirmation? It's mainly based on I'm looking to see that are we going to violate those highs to continue up, or will price break below to continue down? Based on previous history, price creating a high and dropping, coming back to the very same high and dropping, coming back to this high. Are we going to have a violation to the upside, or is price going to violate it to the downside so we can take sales? That's what I'm saying. I'm waiting for confirmation. Do you guys get that? So without further ado, let's hop on to the next pair, right? USD CAD. So USD CAD, it's more like gold, right? Because you can clearly see that prices created this high, right? And then price started having this reaction on this very same high, right? And price did what? From price having those reactions, you can clearly see that we did what was still above our very same resistance, right? That resistance, price is still holding resistance, right? So my trade idea on USD CAD, because I'm saying I'm waiting for confirmation, it's to mainly see that from the coming week, is price gonna continue below this zone and be bearish, or is price gonna violate these highs so we can be bullish? Do you guys get that? Because if I had to add too many confluences, I might confuse you guys, and that's what I don't want to do. So my trade idea is very simple. If price breaks, if price violates our highs, then we simply continue moving to the upside. Or if price violates our lows, then we simply continue moving to the downside. That's why I'm saying I'm waiting for confirmation. So we slide to the next pair, right? The other pair that we're looking at is Tesla. So Tesla, I'm also waiting for confirmation because when you look at Tesla, Tesla created this high and created this high. Now we've created this high. When you clearly see that price is violating highs, that price is printing out, right? So my confirmation, me saying I'm waiting for confirmation on Tesla, is to mainly let you guys know that what I'm looking at right now is pretty simple. Are we gonna get a violation of this highs? Are we gonna get a violation of this highs based on price violating highs, creating highs? Are we gonna get a violation of this high, or will price fail breaking above this high and give us that intraday move to the downside? We just don't know. That's why I'm also waiting for confirmation. So what do? We slide, right? Last but not least, we're having Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, you can clearly see that our structure is bullish. Bitcoin, our structure is bullish. Bitcoin, our structure is bullish because one, you can clearly see that from price having this push and this exhaustion, this is our continuation push. Are we having a possible exhaustion before we can get a continuation push? Or is price giving us signs of the bullish depletion and the bearish momentum so we can anticipate a move to the downside? I just don't know. So Bitcoin, there's nothing that I can say because price is in this intraday correction, right? Even though I hop to the hourly time frame, you can still see that price is holding this intraday correction. So from price holding this intraday correction and price obviously looking at history, having an intraday correction and having a violation correction, we might have a violation. But me having to wait for confirmation is to see that are we gonna respect here or are we gonna do it violate here? And that gonna be it. So my trade idea on gold is I'm on Bitcoin. I'm waiting for confirmation. I don't want to take trades before I see what I have to do. Is price gonna respect this zone or price is gonna violate this zone? Is price gonna hold this correction or will price violate this correction? I just don't know. Do you guys get that? So those will be my trade idea, people. This will be what I'll be looking for and what I'll be anticipating for the coming week. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video, comment on the video, click the links from my description to sign up with the brokers that I use. Turn on your notification bell so you can tune in into every video that I upload. And if you want to talk Forex or do anything Forex, I've left my number in my Instagram account. So you're going to choose what you want to do. But without further ado, this is your boy Harlem. That's all I got on this video.